So the first one is shading. Obviously what you're going to do, I'm just using a circle for example. Usually you find a light spot in where the light shines onto the surface. So basically the light is shining from this side. So usually what you do is you start shading it dark at the bottom. And you go from light to lighter. And you go lighter and lighter. By going lighter, you don't put so much pressure on the pencil as well. So here at the bottom obviously will be the darkest part, and then usually you make it in circles, obviously to make it a bit easier for you. But you can start off with like a little bit of scribbling, and then you can start off shading it by creating circles, which is so much simpler. As you can see, the shading is starting to form as I'm adding the different pressures in order to form the light. Usually at the ballpoint there is a blank space, so basically on the blank page you can just leave the blank space white. So I'm shading this just a bit darker. Obviously continue making into the circles as well. Oh my goodness, this is turning out so great. I'm sorry, I'm super excited when I get the artwork like right. Then basically if you want to create like another shading of the effect of the light, you can shade it darker at the bottom, so it shows that it's actually on a surface. Obviously you use shading with different pencils. It's best to use 4B or 6B pencil as well, but you can go as light as H or B, and HB is in between pencil, so that's also something you can use. So I just want to show you the complete sketch of how it will turn out. And you continue this until you find it forming a three-dimensional type of ball. But this is like obviously an oval shape, so yeah. Okay.